How to remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. First of all, just you have to open the Meta Business Suite on your device. Once you open it and log into your Facebook page, you just have to see on this left panel and go to the settings icon, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you open it on the accounts, you will see the option of pages. Just click on pages. And here you will see all the list of your pages that is login or sign in on your Meta Business Suite. Then what you have to do here is simply select the Facebook page that you want to remove from Meta Business Suite. And once you have selected, just you have to right click on this Facebook page on Meta Business Suite, or you just have to open it. And once you open it, this another bar will open where at the right corner you will see three dots. Simply click on the three dots, and on this drop down menu box you will see the option to remove from business portfolio. Simply you can click on it and easily remove this Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then to like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.